Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Clarence, and today's video is replacing your wiper blade. Okay, I got a wiper blade here. You don't really need any tools. Most of the blades, the principles are about the same. If you can replace one on one type vehicle, you can replace it on the other. One thing I will tell you is the arm itself. Let the arm always rest in the down position. Don't let it set up while you're waiting on the blade. I got a whole war story about that one for you. But we're going to get dead into this. Hold on just a second, this blade. Okay, I'm back. This is the blade right here. It's got normally have a release or a latch on it. You don't need a tool or anything, but located right here. Right here is a tab. All I'm gonna do is pick up on the tab. The tab right here. This piece. Raise the arm up. Push down on the blade and it comes off. Never let this spring-loaded arm hang up. Set it back down. Put the old blade aside. Take the new blade. Make sure you're aiming put it in the right direction so that the arm hooks around the adapter up here, okay? Put it in and pull it, and you heard it. It clicked and locked in place, and that's all to a replacement blade. You can do it yourself. It takes seconds. Well, it took me about 45 seconds to replace it. Here's the old one. This is the new one. It's no problem whatsoever. That's pretty much it to replacing the blade. Okay, YouTube, that's it for replacing the wiper blade. Took about 45 seconds. Had to have a little step to stand up on, but got it done. If your windows is smeared or if it's not clear, crystal clear, then you probably need to replace the blade. If it's squeaking or whatever, replace the blade. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel. I got more videos coming up. I'm gonna start making more videos and start staying busy at it, okay? I'm Clarence. Peace. We'll see you at the next one.